Hey guys, what's going on? This is Trini Gamer Luke here. We're gonna be doing something different and playing games today. I'm gonna show you guys how I changed the screen on this Asus GL503GE. It's a Strix ROG with a featuring a GeForce NVIDIA GTX 1060. It's a very decent gaming laptop. Me and my wife, her godson, was playing Fortnite, got upset and broke it. So I'm gonna try to see if I could change it for him. I already took the screen out and I bought this one on Amazon as a replacement. I'll put the link in the description so you can see that. And we're gonna change this and see how it works. Hopefully it works out fine. Okay, so let me just put you guys down for a quick second so you can hopefully see me. Alright, there we go. I'm gonna just try to unbox. Okay, so right here we got some tools. This came with the installation set, but I'm not gonna use that. I already have my own tools. But it comes with some tools. You get the extended warranty from Screenorama. You guys see that? And this is our screen. If you can see that right there, that's our screen. So I'm just gonna unwrap it. I don't want to break it. So there we go. This is the new screen that we're going to be installing, and this is the old screen that I took out. Okay. All right, so let me see if I can get you guys to see this as I install. But first, just lay the laptop down a little bit like that. Then we want to connect the 30-pin connector from this one to this one. This is it right here. I'm gonna have to probably put the camera down for this. As you can see, it has the brand over here. It's an official brand. It's the same name and everything as the one that I took out. As you can see right here. You can see that? It's the same one. So, I'm just gonna pop this in. It's gonna be a little difficult doing it with one hand, but let's see. First, you want to gently. I'm gonna just put the camera down 1 second, while I try to gently line this up so I can connect the pin. I'm doing it with one hand, so it's a little hard. You just want to press gently, you don't want to press too hard. Okay. And it just lays right back into place like this. So you see that, guys? You just put the pin connector in and it fits in there nice and perfectly. Now this is only for the 15.6 inch laptop. It won't fit on another screen, so this has to be the same size for it to fit. And you see it just fits right in there perfectly. So now we're gonna power it up. Sorry about it. We're gonna power it up and we're gonna see and we're gonna see if it works before we put everything back together. Okay, so let me press the power button. So here we go. I had to make sure it was properly installed. Okay, so let me put you guys down for a quick second. You know what? I'll just look at this way for it to load up. So here it goes. You can see it's fully installed, and it's very bright color. As you can see, that very bright color. This is a 120 hertz gaming laptop, guys. It's a very good laptop, and as you can see, the screen was very easy to change. It's not hard at all. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna put 4 screws back in this spot. Let's make sure we line up the screen properly. Should be like this. Like so. Alright. I got the screws over here. Alright guys, so all you do now is you just put this bezel back on like this. You put the bezel on, this bezel, you put that on like this, and you just clip it back in together. And there's 1 screw here, and there is 1 screw there. You want to take those screws out before you while you're taking out the screen, you want to take those screws out. So don't forget, you got those 2 screws there. You want to take those screws out, because that was giving me a little hard time. I couldn't really see it in the dark when I initially took it out. But that's it. Everything looks good. Everything looks great. And I hope this was informative for you guys. I'm gonna show you probably some other builds as I build my own PC. I'm gonna build another PC for gaming, and I'm gonna let my wife use the one that I use now. And I also have some memory upgrades and stuff to do, so I could put those little videos out there from time to time to show you guys how to do that. Okay, so hope you enjoy, hope you like and subscribe to the video, and peace.